Hi everyone, welcome to a new session. What is digital marketing? Basically, digital marketing refers to any online marketing efforts or assets. For example, if you owned a business, and you decide to sell your products online. But where do you start? So you want to make a beautiful website online for your business. Then how do you promote your business online? Your website cannot sell any products itself without any user. So here you need the help of a digital marketer. Now you need the help of an expert digital marketer to promote your website online and sell your products. But, sometimes everyone can't hire a digital marketer for their business. We can help you out. We teach you how to sell your products online. First, you need to learn how websites ranks on search engines and how advertisement plays in business promotion also. We teach you how to optimize your website and how to use analytics to track your performance. We help your business succeed. Your digital presence means you want to visible. When people go online searching for a business. Let's discuss. If someone searches for how to buy shoes online, and your store appears in the Google search results, your business benefits are endless. When a user click your link, they can learn and buy your products online. If your customer interested in your products, they could read testimonials from your happy customers. Then they look through the pricing. Here you need to guide the user that you offer any discounts for th product. Also you can demonstrate your product videos and images through your website for your customers. If your website is ranked for only 1 or 2 keywords and you are not getting any sales from that targeted audience. How to find potential customers for your business. If you want to target your exact customers, the digital allows you to show targeted advertisement to people who are interested to buy your products. With such advertising you can show ads to potential customers such as people searching for your product around the world. Also you can learn how to use analytics tools to find how many people clicked your advertisement and how many people visited your site for make certain actions with your customers. By all these ways you can bring your business to the digital world. Learn our next section of video about SEO and SEM. How they help your business and have a clear idea of what is digital marketing. And how you can grow your business online. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe and follow our channel for new course contents.